Hey guys, this is Steve from Kopf Percussion. I get a lot of questions about the construction process of my drums and how exactly I do certain things. So I think what I'm going to do is I'll make a series of videos that I'll upload each day, and I'm going to take you through the process of how I build a cajon, all the way from how I process raw materials to the finishing process and how I tune the drums. So I think it'll be a lot of fun. So stay tuned and I'll show you how I can go from something like this to something like this. I think that'll be a lot of fun to make for me, and I think it'll give you guys some insight into what I do here at the shop. Basically, everything starts here with the raw materials, and I process them. There's a workflow through the shop. So basically the machines are set up in a way that I do one giant circle around the shop, and when I'm finished milling and making panels and gluing things up, I come out to the other side and I do all of my assemblies right here. I've never done a series like this before, so it should be interesting. Maybe at the end of it, I'll compile all the videos together and make one long YouTube video. I don't know, but either way, if you think you would be interested in watching the series, I will upload them consecutively each day. Thanks.